This is question number 3 of exercise 13.4 from the chapter probability. The question is, let x represent the difference between the number of heads and number of tails obtained when a coin is tossed 6 times. What are the possible values of x? So in this question we have been asked a simple thing, that when a coin is tossed 6 times we have to find x, where x is the difference between the number of heads and number of tails. Okay, now to solve this question, first of all, when a coin is tossed 6 times, then we can have the following outcomes. So outcomes would be number of heads and number of tails, and because the coin is tossed 6 times, then if we have, for example, 6 heads, then in all the 6 outcomes or all the 6 times we have heads, so number of tails would be 0. And similarly, if we have 5 heads, then remaining 1 time we are going to have tails. Similarly, 4 heads, so we are going to get 2 tails, 3 heads, so 3 tails, 2 heads, so 4 tails, and 1 head, so 5 tails would be obtained. And if no head is obtained, then all the outcomes would be tails, so 6 heads would be obtained. Okay, so we have to calculate the difference x. So difference x here we are going to calculate by taking the modulus of number of heads minus number of tails, because when we talk about difference, the difference is actually the greater value minus smaller value, and the outcome would be always positive. So here, because we have to take the difference between the number of heads and the number of tails, so when we are going to take the modulus, so we are going to get the correct thing, that is the difference. So in the first part, if we are going to take the modulus of 6 minus 0, so this would be equal to 6. Next, the difference x when 5 head and 1 tail are obtained would be equal to the modulus of 5 minus 1, that is 4. Similarly, in the next case, when 4 head and 2 tails are obtained would be equal to modulus of 4 minus 2 or 2. Next, it would be modulus of 3 minus 3 or 0. Next, it would be modulus of 2 minus 4 would be equal to modulus of minus 2 or 2. Further, this would be equal to modulus of 1 minus 5 or modulus of minus 4, that is equal to 4. Or further, it would be equal to modulus of 0 minus 6 or 6. So the possible values of x are 6, 4, 2 and 0, which is the required answer.
Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.